ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 16-7 प्रवृत्तिंच निवृत्तिंच प्रवृत्तिंच निवृत्तिंच जनान विदुरासुराः। पदच्छेदे प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च जनाः न विदुः आसुराः। न शौचं नापि चाचारो न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते। पदच्छेदे न शौचं न अपि च आचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः। आसुराः जनाः प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च न विदुः. This च theoretically would go into avyayani, but fits better. शौचं तेषु न विद्यते, आचारः तेषु न अपि च विद्यते, सत्यं तेषु न विद्यते. The words तेषु and vidyate are common to all the three vakyamshaः 2, 3 and 4. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः। आसुराः जनाः प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च न विदुः. आसुराः, आसुर विशेषणं, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम, आसुर एडजेक्टिव, आसुरी फेमिनिन, असुरस्य इदम अन् opposite of दैव, belonging to asuras, belonging to evil spirits, asuri maya, asuri ratrihi, infernal, demoniacal, asuram bhavamashritah. This is from Bhagavad Gita 7.15. For a full exposition of what constitutes asura conduct, see Bhagavad Gita 16-7 to 24. This is what we are studying, 16-7. Not performing sacrifices. Janaha, jana, person, pullingam, prathama, bahuvachanam. Pravrittim, pravritti, strilingam, dvitiya, ekvachanam. Pravrittihi, feminine. Continued advance, rise, origin, source, flow of words, appearance, manifestation. I have chosen taking an active part, active life in worldly affairs, opposite of nivrutti. Pravrittih kutra kartavya jeevitam katham nuva. This is from Hitogya. Cha avyayam and nivrittim, nivritti, strilingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Nivritti, returning or coming back, return. Durgameka punavnivruttaye yam vishanti vashinam mumukshavaha. Desisting from, resignation, discontinuous of worldly acts. I think desistance from is appropriate here. No, avyayam, no, not. Viduhu, vid dhatuhu, lati, prathama purushaha, bahuvachanam. Vid, vidam, jnane, to understand, to learn, to know, to realize, to experience. To be sad is not applicable here. Adadihi, द्वितीयगणे परस्मैपदी, सकर्मकः सेट. तेषु न शौचं न अपि च आचारः न सत्यं विद्यते. तेषु तत् सर्वनाम, अत्र पुल्लिंगम, सप्तमी बहुवचनम. शौचं, शौच नपुंसकलिंगम, प्रथमा एकवचनम. शौचं शुचेर्भावः, अन्, प्यूरिटी, क्लियरनेस. कारे काके शौचं द्यूतकारे च सत्यम. Purification from personal defilement caused by etc. Cleansing, purifying. Api, avyayam, also. Acharaha, achara, pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Acharaha, achara, bhave, ghai. Conduct, behavior, manner of action. Fixed rule of conduct in life. customary law, etc. Established usage, achara. Satyam, satya, visheshanam. Atra napusakalinam prathama ekvajanam. Satya, adjective. Sate hitam, yat, true, real, genuine, as adjective. And satyam, truth. Mauna satyam vishishyate. Satyam, true, to speak the truth, sincerity. विद्यते विद् धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचन विद् विदं सत्तायां टू एक्सिस्ट दिवादिः चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः अनिट् अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल में आसुराः जनाः प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च न विदुः द डेमोनियक men know neither action nor renunciation. तेषु न शौचं न अपि च आचारः न सत्यं विद्यते. Cleanliness is not in them, nor even right conduct, nor truth. छंदो विशेषण प्रवृत्तिंच निवृत्तिंच अषक्षाणि निवृत्तिम एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे ओके जना न विदुरासुराः अषक्षाणि दुरासु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका न शौचं नापि चाचारो अष्टक्षाणि पिचाचा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते अष्टक्षाणि सुविद्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् षोडशाध्याये सप्तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्याय नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ द ऑब्जर्वेशन आसुराः जनाः प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च न विदुः द डेमोनियाक men know neither action nor renunciation generally covers lack of viveka, discretion, and in turn can be viewed from three perceptions: that these people lack discretion about what to do, what not to do, kayika, what to speak, what not to speak, vachika, what thoughts to nurture, what not to nurture, manasika. As humans, we do indulge in unwarranted actions, often realizing much later that we should not have done, we should not have said what we said, getting mentally disturbed, though we should be keeping our cool. These lapses may not be exactly demoniacal, but they are not divine either. It is hence all right that astrology grants characters being of Manushagana. That also underscores how difficult it is to be Devagana of divine character, even if the horoscope may say so. The mention Teshu na shaucham na apicha acharaha na satyam vidyate. Cleanliness is not in them, nor even right conduct, nor truth, suggests that we should be at a distance from such asuraha jana. This also means that if we ourselves have any such traits, people also will keep a distance from us. There is a good proverb: bad company corrupts good character. This is from Corinthians 15:33. And then there is a Subhashidam. Asatam sangadoshena sadhavo yanti vikriyam duryodhana prasangena bhishmo goharanam gatah. By heeding to Duryodhana's scheme, Bhishma also joined with him to, to abduct cows of King Virata. Gentlemen also get distracted in the company of bad people. There is another Indian proverb. When you drink milk under the palm tree, people will say that it is palm wine. For good results, the entire environment around should be clean and pure. As is said in Shucho Udeshe Pratishthapya Sthiramasana Atmanam Natyachritam Natinicham Chaila Janukoshottaram 6-11. Tatra ekagram manakrutva yata chittendriya kriya upavishyasana yunyad yogam atmavishuddhaye. For self-cleansing by yoga, One should settle oneself in a clean place of even keel, neither too high nor too low, with air also clean and pleasant, on a deer skin laid over grass. There one should do a meditation with mind focused and organs under control. Note, the phrase Shuchodeshe refers not only to the place being clean, but the environment around also clean. Desha. The negativities in the character of Asurahajana are hints on what negativities are not to be allowed to be in our character. This Gita Abhyasa is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamsha Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.